replacement behaviors are typically a desired behavior that we can teach a student to engage in instead of engaging in a challenging behavior. So for instance, if a student is engaging in something dangerous like self-injurious behavior or aggression or property destruction, we want to find out why they're engaging in those behaviors. What are they trying to tell us? Just don't do it. But if I know what the function is and what you're trying to tell me, I can give you some other more desired behaviors to engage in instead. So for instance, if the minute a math worksheet is pulled out and the student all of a sudden starts to engage in challenging behavior, maybe it's self-injurious behavior, I don't want the student hurting himself. If it's because the worksheet is too hard or they don't know how to do the math that's presented, then I'm going to teach them how to engage it in a different behavior.